Hey, cross country runners! If you haven't heard, the 2020 spring sports season has officially been canceled by the NSAA. And with that happening, I'd say the odds are pretty good, even though it hasn't been confirmed, that I'd be really surprised if we're back in school yet this year. So we normally have some type of cross-country organizational meeting. Obviously, that's not going to be able to happen. One of the nice things is that preparation for cross-country is something that doesn't have to take place in a group atmosphere. It's nice if it does, but we're not like basketball or volleyball where you need to be practicing with your team if you really want to get a feel for what your teammates are going to be doing. It's nice if you can practice and run with your teammates on a daily basis, but you don't have to do it. What you have to understand is right now, those that are going out and doing some running right now in spite of what's going on are going to be that much further ahead when the all clear is to actually start doing some group training. The thing is, I have no clue when that might be. We might not be able to have team runs until the middle of June, until the end of June. It could be even the middle of July. And you can't just sit around and think that, well, if we're not having team runs, I don't need to run. That's not the approach that you want. The approach that you want is that I'm going to go out and I'm going to try to get some running in right now. And all that's going to do is get me that much further ahead of those that are having that, well, I'm just going to sit back attitude. They say we need to practice social distancing. What's better than going out and running on the trail out at Willow Lake all by yourself? It'd be nice if you could run with someone. And I normally would say, hey, if you can run with someone, then you need to. But if you can get out on the trail, and if you think safety is a concern, take a whistle with you. Literally run with a stick in your hand if you have to. Get a bottle of pepper spray or something like that if you're afraid, that someone might come at you. In the 27 years that I've been living in Pierce, that's never happened out at Willow where something like that has happened. I know it always could, but we really need to take advantage of this time that we have right now. Try to get a little bit of a head start, because if you think about it, if this were the regular track season, we would be doing some running right now. So if we'd normally be doing some running right now, then why not go out and do some running? So I really implore you to try to get out and run a few times a week. I guarantee there are some individuals, like some probably young sophomore up in Hartington, that's probably saying, you know what? Not only do I want to be state champ again, I want to be all class. And he's probably out running right now. I just about guarantee that he is. We have some individuals that have some pretty lofty goals for next year. I know I'd like to think that if we can get a girls team together, and we know we're going to have a boys team, our goals should be pretty lofty, but we just can't wish them. We've got to go out and make it happen. So if you have some questions about, well, I'm really not sure what I should be doing, how much running I should be doing, how often, just for those of you that have my cell number, text me. You all have my email address. If you need my cell number, it's 402-841-9376. And there's some of you that I know since last year have gotten cell phones. I don't have your cell numbers. So if you can want to contact me with a text, then you can do so, and then I can put save your contact information in my phone. So if you have any questions, just contact me. And like I've been telling everyone, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.